Have you ever looked at your life and wondered, is this all real? Is the world around us, our jobs, our cities, our emotions, even our very thoughts, are they truly as solid as they seem? Or are we living inside something far more complex, something designed, something simulated? In recent years, philosophers and scientists have begun to ask, are we living in a simulation? But while modern thinkers explore this theory with technology and algorithms, Islam has been addressing this question long before it became a trend. In this video, we explore, are we living inside a divine simulation? An Islamic philosophical journey into the unseen. The idea that our reality may be a simulation, crafted and controlled by a higher power, is no longer just science fiction. But in Islamic thought, this concept isn't new. In Surah Al-Hadid, Allah tells us, "Know that the life of this world is nothing but play and amusement, beautification and mutual boasting, rivalry and wealth and children." Surah Al-Hadid, Surah 57, verse 20. This verse isn't saying that the world is fake. Rather, it's telling us it's not ultimate. It's a stage, a temporary experience, a carefully constructed environment to test what lies within you. This sounds remarkably like the purpose of a simulation. But in Islam, it's not random or artificial. It's divine, designed with wisdom. In every simulation, there's a hidden reality behind the visible one. And Islam teaches us the same thing. In Surah Al-Mulk, Allah says, "He is the one who created death and life to test which of you is best in deeds." Surah Al-Mulk, Surah 67, verse 2. This life is a test. And death? It's not the end. It's the transition into true reality. In Surah Al-Ankabut, the Qur'an reminds us, this worldly life is nothing but amusement and diversion. The real life is in the hereafter, if only they knew. Surah Al-Ankabut, Surah 29, verse 64. So if this world is just a temporary interface, what lies behind the screen? Every simulation runs on a code, an algorithm designed to maintain order. In Islam, that code is the laws of Allah. Gravity, time, the orbits of planets, the heartbeat of every living being, all follow divine commands. In Surah Yasin, we are told, the sun runs on its fixed course. That is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. Surah Yasin, Surah 36, verse 38. This is not random. The precision of the universe is evidence of intelligence. Intelligence far beyond any machine or AI. It's Allah's will, running the system in perfect harmony. What makes a simulation feel real is limitation. If you knew it was a simulation, would you act the same? Islam calls this limitation the Ghayb, the unseen. Realities exist beyond our perception, and only Allah knows them fully. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah describes the believers as those who believe in the unseen. Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah 2, verse 3. We don't see the angels. We don't see our deeds being recorded. We don't see the soul. But they are part of the hidden design. And it is this faith in the unseen that wakes us up from illusion. So Nas, if this is a divine simulation, are we just characters in a game? Do we have any real choice? Islam answers that with clarity. In Surah Al-Insan, Allah says, "Indeed, we guided him to the path. He may be grateful or ungrateful." Surah Al-Insan, Surah 76, verse 3. We are not robots. We have consciousness. We reflect. We choose. Our thoughts are real. Our choices carry eternal consequences. And this is where Islamic thought departs from the cold theory of computer simulations, because in Allah's creation, you matter. The greatest illusion is thinking that this life is all there is, but death is the moment we wake up. The simulation ends, and true sight begins. In Surah Qaf, Allah says, "You were heedless of this. Now we have removed your veil, so your vision today is sharp." Surah Qaf, Surah 50, verse 22. In that moment, every truth will be clear. Every hidden layer, every divine sign, every choice, we will see it all. That's when you realize, the test is over. The real life has begun. So are we living inside a simulation? If by simulation we mean a lifeless illusion, then no. But if we mean a purposeful, intelligent, temporary realm designed by the Creator to test the soul, then Islam has been telling us this all along. You are not here by accident. You are not just data in a system. You are a soul, breathing, choosing, awakening. The real question is not whether this is a simulation. The real question is, are you aware of why you're inside it? If this video made you think, share it. Let others wake up with you. Subscribe to Divine Paradox for more deep reflections on Islam, philosophy, and the mysteries of existence.